Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's day after Christmas, and we snuck out to do a little gold mining in the snowstorm. Man, it's a beautiful day. We're just poking around on this little creek here. Just did a nice pan. It's all small, but good 50 colors in there. Just kind of poking my way down to this clay layer. I got Diggin Deland and West Coast Prospecting with me. They're running some sluices. And yeah, we're just chilling, having a good time. So let's see how much gold we get.
It's not for water, but you won't get it back. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whichever way you feel. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to episode 73 of Gold Prospecting.
Here's our next pan.
We got one more to the party.
A lot of really fine gold. Just kind of punching down, trying to make that clay layer. So let's keep going. All right, we just ran our bucket through the pan. Don't know if you can tell, but we got about 100 colors. It's all pretty fine stuff, but yeah, let's keep going. Snow's falling off the trees. Pretty day. Oh, there's the clay.
Well, we got 20 pans in. Black pans in there, and then going all up under the black pans just to line up.
Alright. So I'm just panning down to here, since cleaning it up is the slowest part. Oh, hey, Rob. Hey, I figured out what I'm going to call this video. Snow much gold.
Yeah.
All right, so we just got our bucket done. Caught another pretty good pan. A lot of colors. Happy with that? All right, let's keep going. See if we can get some bigger stuff on the very bottom. We got that bucket pulled through. Pretty good colors, a little less than last time. Let's go see what's in Damon's sluice. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I think they're good. What's the biggest piece I've seen today?
Oh, the bigger piece coming up over the edge here.
Yeah.
In that black fan somewhere.
What's that? Oh, yeah. Not bad for dinking around during a snowstorm. Man, it is wet out. So, we got down to the clay. You got this side, the gravel in it, this side, totally smooth. I think there's bedrock here and there on this creek, but I haven't found it yet. Might be some up around the corner. But anyway, let's see what we get out of this. It's basically a full bucket. Next bucket down. Not as many colors, but we got a bigger bit, which is nice. Yeah, maybe just 20, but hey, I'll take it. That's a good little bit. Well, we're working for a few hours, but some of us have leaks in our waders and our chili, and my back is shot, so I think it's gonna do the back, do this last bucket here. Made it a big one, got some more of that clay in there. It's kind of a mix of the higher material and the lower, so hopefully this is our best pan of the day. Got some nice bits on that last pan. 3 decent sized ones and about a dozen much smaller ones. Heck yeah. And we made some good progress here. This went deep. Gonna come back and finish it. No. See how the guys do it. You're still working through it, huh?
Yeah, I got too much black sand.
You guys do have a lot.
Good. I mean, that's the road though.
Oh yeah, give it a tilde.
Right, it's all through here.
Wow, we got a boatload of black sand. Look at all that gold. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, dude, you did really good. Man. I got like a 1/4 gram there. Oh, that's pretty darn good too.
You see that all yeah,
Let's dump this snuffer out, see how we did. And here's what we got for just a couple hours out here in the snow. Pretty good. Maybe a 0.15, maybe a 0.2. Awesome. Alright, I'll get you back at the house. We'll weigh it up and dry out. We are back home. We got the gold dried out, got the waders dried out, and here's what we ended up with. Not bad for just, I don't know, 3 hours messing around on a snow day. It weighs out to 0.17 grams, so heck, that's pretty darn good. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope to catch you on the next video.